Hello everyone, myself Bhumi Patel, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in Department of Electronics and Communication. Today's topic is sensitivity. Unit number 3, feedback control system characteristic. So first of all, sensitivity objective. So first objective is getting familiar with the concept of sensitivity. Sensitivity is depend upon the system. We have the two types of system, open loop system and closed loop system. So first objective is we have to familiar with the concept of sensitivity. Now next one is the applying sensitivity analysis to basic component of the control system. Third objective is investigation of sensitivity of control system to parameter variations, and the next one is definition of sensitivity. So system sensitivity is the ratio of the change in the system transfer function to the change of a process transfer function or the parameter for a small incremental changes. So the sensitivity is equal to dependent output upon user defined input. Here in the open loop system or in the closed loop system, we have a compulsory one input signal and one output signal. So sensitivity is depend on the system transfer function for the dependent output upon users defined input. Now for example, for a typical thermocouple, sensitivity is given by 41 microvolt upon Celsius. It means per Celsius the output is sensitive by 41. So in this example we can define the sensitivity of the thermocouple. Now the next one is the how to find the sensitivity for the open loop system. So we have considered a open loop control system like this. So here G of S is our system. For this system, you already know R of S is our input signal and C of S is our output signal. If anyone want to find the output equation, so how we write the output equation? So output C of S is equal to multiplication of system and the input signal. So for this open loop system, we can find the output C of S is equal to the G of S into R of S. Now for this open loop system, we can find the sensitivity equation. So sensitivity is defined as the S, C and G, where G is the gain of the system and C is the output of the system. How we define the sensitivity? Derivation of the output, that's mean dC by D upon dG by G. Okay, so sensitivity, as you know, it is the ratio of the change in the system transfer function to the change of a process transfer function or the parameter for a small incremental changes. So this is the equation for the sensitivity. Now you have already equation of C of S. C of S is equal to G of S into R of S. So if we want to derivative of the output, so D of C of S is equal to D of G of S into R of S. So now we can write the value of D of C of S using the sensitivity equation. So equation will become sensitivity S G C is equal to, we can write like this, G into DC upon C into dG. Okay, now put the value of DC. So we can get G into DC is equal to dG into R upon GR. C is equal to GR into dG. Now G cancel, R cancel, and D or derivative of G also cancel. So we can get 1. So sensitivity of the open loop system is SGC is equal to 1. So therefore any change or uncertainty in the transfer function of the open loop system is directly reflected in the output of the system. So if we can change the system in the open loop system, it is directly effect on the output of the system. So this is the equation for the sensitivity for open loop system, and the value of the sensitivity is 1. Okay, so now sensitivity of the system to parameter variation. So system are time varying. What is the time varying system? Which type is time varying system? The parameter of the system will change with respect to time. So system are time varying in its nature because of invariant uncertainties such as changing environment, aging, and other factors that affect a control process, and for that the sensitivity of the system will be changed. All these uncertainties in open loop system will result in inaccurate output or low performance. However, a closed loop system can overcome this disadvantage. As you know that in the open loop system, output is depend on the system parameter and the input of the system. Here the system parameter will be changed due to environment, aging, and other performance, so that we cannot generate the accurate output and the performance output is low. So this disadvantage is overcome by using a closed loop system. Now, a primary advantages of the closed loop feedback control system, it is ability to reduce the system sensitivity to parameter variation, because in the closed loop system you have already know we have used a input signal, a system controller, output signal, and we can use a sensor as a feedback element. So we can reduce the system's sensitivity parameter variation, because in the open loop system, whenever the system parameter changes, output will unstable. So now we have to find the sensitivity for the closed loop system. Now consider a closed loop system where G is the forward path or gain of the system. This is the summing point of the system, and R is our input of the system, and C of S is our output of the system. We have to connect a feedback element, and name of the feedback element is H, and we have here we have connect a negative feedback system. So this is one of the closed loop system. Now we have find the transfer function of this system. So transfer function T is equal to, here you can see that one forward path is connected and one feedback path is there. So we can find the transfer function using the block diagram reduction technique. So here you can see that we have used rule number 3 for block diagram reduction. And what is the rule number 3? Feedback elimination rule. So what is the rule number 3? We can write here the forward path upon 1. If here the sign is negative, we can put here plus forward path into feedback path. So this is the transfer function of this particular system. Now what is the sensitivity? So sensitivity is percentage change in transfer function to percentage change in gain. Okay, so sensitivity is defined as the S percentage change in transfer function upon percentage change in gain. So we can write the equation S is equal to percentage change in the transfer function means dt by t into 100 upon dg by g into 100. So simplify this equation, we can get S dt by dg upon g by t. This is the equation number 1. Okay, now we have already the equation for t, transfer function. And what is the equation of t? So t is equal to g upon 1 plus gh. So we have put the value of t in equation number 1. So we can get S sensitivity is equal to dt by dg upon g by t. Here we can also differentiate the t. So first of all we can differentiate the t. So we can get dt by dg is equal to d by dg g1 plus gh. So this is the transfer function equation and this is the sensitivity equation. In next session we have derived the sensitivity equation for the closed loop system and how affect the sensitivity in the closed loop system explain in the next session. Thank you everyone.